Welcome to Trinity. I'm Maya. I'm Summer.
I'm Tyler.
I'm Matthias.
I'm Stanley, and today we're going to be showing you around our school building.
This is our atrium and food hall.
It's right in the middle of our school, so you can find your way to anywhere from here.
We can get food at lunch and break from the canteen.
There's a choice of sandwiches, grab and go, and hot meals.
This is the music department.
We have rooms with keyboards.
We have a recording studio.
And we also have practice room.
This is our amazing concert hall. We have assemblies, choir, concerts and plays here.
We also have a grand piano.
On the rest of the ground floor, we have the drama studio.
And also food tech and EP.
This is the first floor.
This is where we have math, science, dance, and PE.
I'm on the skywalk, which is the way into the sports hall.
This is the second floor.
Here we have English, the library, languages and humanities.
And our SEN department.
This is our library. We have library lessons here, and you can come at lunch if you need some quiet time. Thank you for walking around Trinity with us. We hope you enjoyed the tour.